Hi everyone. Today we're excited to show you a beautiful property in Dombivli developed by a top real estate name. Let's explore its luxury and comfort. Let's explore 2 BHK sample flat. The living room is bright and airy with a balcony that lets in lots of light. Speaking of the balcony, come out here. Roomy, isn't it? You could set up a couple of chairs, maybe some plants. Perfect for your morning chai. Let's head to the kitchen. It's got this smart two-sided layout. And see this area? Great for your washing machine or maybe some extra storage. Here's the common bathroom. Nice fittings, very modern. A cozy bedroom with ample space, perfect for family members or guests. Discover the spacious master bedroom designed for relaxation and luxury. Enjoy ample sunlight through the French windows, a stylish wardrobe niche, and a private attached bathroom. Ready to experience this lifestyle? To book a site visit, contact us on the number displayed on the screen.